My buffalo chicken dip has been one of the most popular recipes on the site for years, so it only makes sense for me to turn that into the same bold, cheesy flavor that you can eat with your hands. And honestly, these buffalo chicken sliders might be even better. The filling is shredded chicken, hot sauce, cream cheese, ranch, and shredded cheeses mixed together. You spread it out on top of Hawaiian rolls, and then you add melted garlic butter on top and bake for a total of about 20 minutes. Serve these warm with extra ranch or blue cheese dressing on the side. They taste just like buffalo chicken dip, but even better because they're packed into buttery little sliders everyone will grab and love.